Hey guys, it's Chelsea. I am just making this video today to go over something really important that we do not discuss very much, but I know that it will help you guys get more referrals and also just overall provide a better experience and more satisfying experience for your clients. And that is, how do you say thank you to your clients? Us keeping that at the forefront of their mind. How are you thanking people for bringing you business, bringing you referrals? And trusting you during the home buying process. And so one of the biggest things to me, I'm just going to be honest, is one, you have to provide a stellar experience. If you provide a very good experience where the process is smooth during the home buying process, where they can depend on you and communication is very clear, then obviously they're going to be pleased with that part. But if you want to go over and beyond, like that's an expectation, is to provide a really good service. But if you want to go over and beyond and make your client feel like you really care about them and you really appreciate their business, then I would definitely get them a closing gift. I'll just tell you right now, the realtors that I've used in the past, we've used 4 realtors in the past 5 years for 4 houses. And one we would never use again just because of the experience. One, like I said, the experience has to be great, and she didn't provide very good customer service. But that was up here in Blue Ridge, so not at home. But the other 3 were phenomenal. So what they did, all 3 of them gave us gifts. They were all personal. They all had to do with us, the homes we were buying, our children, our family. So I want you guys, I refer each of those realtors to people because not just did they provide an amazing service, but they also had a wonderful and unique way of showing that they appreciated us by giving us really nice and sentimental closing gifts. So anyways, I'm just going to send you guys this list right here. Best closing gifts, and it's something that you guys can play off of, but I'm just going to give you some examples as I go through this. So just look over this list, see if anything kind of rings any bells to you of something, of any of your clients you have right now, or even past clients that you might say, you know what, I didn't get them anything a couple months ago, but I would just like to stop by their house maybe sometime, or just give them a call to see how they're doing and say, hey, I'd like to drop a gift off for you guys, just for trusting me with your home buying process. It's never too late, so just think about all of these types of gifts right here, and I'm going to show you some things that you can do. So to say thank you, some gifts. So my favorite are photo projects. One thing that our realtor did for us was she found a picture online when we were pregnant with our son at a reveal party, and she sent it to us. It was like a 5x7, and it had like an 8x10 like mat around it frame, and it said Denver on the bottom. And it was a picture of Caleb Hold My Belly. She had to go on my Facebook to find that, so she actually searched me out and found a picture. It is very easy, and I'm going to show you guys right now what I did, and I'm going to show you how you can save pictures on Facebook. So I'll just go to my Facebook, but you can go to anybody's, like just put their name in and go to their pictures. And I've already saved these pictures, but I'm just going to do this right here. So let's say I was like, oh, look, here's Chelsea's picture of Charlie. How adorable. I'd like to print that off. So I just right click and go to save image. And then you choose whatever folder you want, which I have in desktop. I put video examples in here, so I started a folder for that. And then I just put in here, I already saved a bunch of pictures, but I'm going to put like Allen's. That's our family's last name. And then just put like 17, however many pictures you want to put, and save. Just save all the pictures you want to use for a project into a folder, and then you can go to whatever website you want to use. I have already built a collage out in Walgreens on their page, and an 8x10 collage is like $4.48 or something. It's super cheap. So you can go in there and add pictures. I'll even show you guys how to do it really quick because it's super easy. Actually, it did take a minute. Let me try. Let me see. I'll try to make this as quick as possible. Walgreens photo, there we go. And then you can choose so many different things. I love the photo books personally. I did this one for the moms for Mother's Day. They were $6.99. I picked them up the same day that I did them. It's like they have phenomenal service. So if you need something quick and easy, you can go through Walgreens or somewhere else that you know like that. So I'm doing a collage print. Like I said, it's $4.49 for an 8x10. Super cheap and easy. I'm just going to go in here. Excuse me. And we're going to upload photos. I could do it from Facebook, from my own, but I'm just going to do it from my computer's on here. So anyway, so here's our home. You just go in here and you select the photos that you want. So select more photos. Just going to keep going and choose a couple so I can show you guys this product. Whoops. I need to add more photos. Where did I go? Upload photos. Here we go. Got a little hasty there. Select photos. I think it might have deleted the other one, so let me. I think we all have 5 minutes to show our clients that we appreciate them. So this does not take very long at all. How many do I have so far? 6. Let me just add one more. Let's see. This is a pretty picture. We'll do this one. Or this one right here. Okay. So I'm going to say done. And once I get done uploading right here, I'm just going to put add to order. Well, I'm going to deselect some of them because I have a few of them. Okay, so it uploaded all of my photos right here. And then you can change like whichever style you want to use. There's a bunch of different ones you can go with, and then you can adjust like the pictures to fit in there. So it's whichever. So you can take this and you can pull it and adjust like where the pictures are sitting inside of the frame. I touched the wrong thing there. But this is what you use to move it back and forth within the frame. Sorry. So something like that. And then over here, you can put like home is where memories are made. Love, you can put whatever your name is, obviously. Love, Cami. Then after you're done, you just go up here to save. You save the project, and then you'll have to log in and all this stuff. I'm not going to do that right now, but you log in and then you just go to review order. You order it and you can send it to your closest Walgreens. It is that easy, guys. You can, if you know all of your closings for that month or upcoming closings, or you just want to send something to a past client to show them that you appreciate them, you can just send a bunch of projects to that local Walgreens at once and pick them up all at the same time. So it usually takes less than a day. So anyways, that's one project. That's how easy it is. You can go on Shutterfly. It's another company that does personalized photo projects. They have photo books, stationery and cards, prints, calendars, and then all these different gifts. You can look through here and see they have blankets, photo blankets, everything. Excuse me, mugs, towels, anything you can think of, stuff for your pets. So one of my favorite is Etsy. Look at these beautiful personalized signs you can get on here with a person's name, a quote that you know that they love, something like that. Another one I looked at earlier was custom pet portraits. Blew my mind. Look at these. some as low as $44. I love this one right here. It's $85, but man, how special would that be to someone who's just in love with a pet? Maybe someone even mentioned like losing a pet that meant a lot to them. You can go on their Facebook, find a picture of that pet, and get somebody to do a portrait. How much would that mean to them? It would mean a lot. So anyways, that's just something to think about. Also, on that list I've sent you guys, there's recreational items, also like technology gifts. Someone might want noise canceling headphones, so they got kids or dogs or something. One of my favorite is the Yi home cameras. These right here are motion sensitive cameras. This is the one we have. It literally has a app that goes with it. So if you're not at home and someone is driving by or coming up to your window, you can get a short video sent to your phone of that feed of somebody that's at your house. So that's a great gift to get somebody, and we personally love them. So I do not work for Yi. I do not get promotional money for this, but that is a phenomenal product. So anyways, that's just another closing gift. You guys just be creative. Just do something that's unique and something that someone would appreciate. If you would appreciate, they would probably appreciate it. So I'm going to send you guys this email shortly with this video, and also Mona has a new thank you email slash just letter that you can send out. Of course, Biggs and myself and Devin, we all do handwritten letters for you guys, but this is just another option. So if you do want something like that, we can also